Welcome to video lecture series on theory of structure. We will continue with unit load method, problem 6. In this numerical, a simply supported beam is given with end A as hinge and end B as roller, whereas AB span is of 6 meter, which is divided into two portions, AC of 4 meter and CB of 2 meter. For portion AC, I is 2I, and for portion CB it is I, and a concentrated load of 180 kN is at point C. What is required to calculate? Find out the linear and rotational displacement at C. Means we are interested to calculate delta CV, vertical deflection at point C, and theta C, means rotation at point C. Now when it is simply supported beam, we have to calculate reactions first. So we will draw this diagram again and we will try to calculate the reactions. So this is support A, this is support B. So this is a concentrated load of 180 kilonewton here. This is 4 meter, this is 2 meter. Here will be a reaction at A, RA, reaction at B, RB. This is 2R, this is R. So we will calculate reactions. So to calculate reaction, first we will do summation of Fy is equals to 0. So Ra plus Rb is equals to 180 kN, because there is only one load. Then summation of moment at A is equals to 0, taking moment at this point, right? So Ra into 0 plus, since 180 is going clockwise, 180 into 4 minus, since Rb is going anti-clockwise, minus Rb into 6 is equals to 0. So from this equation we will get value of Rb is equals to, so value of Rb is 120 kilonewton and that of Ra is 60 kilonewton. So I will write down here Ra is 60 kilonewton and Rb is 120 kilonewton. Now as we have seen earlier that we have to name the diagram. So a diagram with original loading, we will name it as M diagram. Now we need to calculate vertical deflection at C. So we will draw another diagram here. This is A, B, this is C. Again 4 meter, 2 meter, 2I, I, this is Ra, this is Rb. So now since we are interested in vertical deflection at point C, we will apply a unit load at point C of 1 kilonewton. Okay. Now due to this 1 kilonewton, what will be the reactions? We will calculate it. So again, summation of Fy is equals to 0. Ra is going upward plus Rb is going upward minus plus 1 kilonewton is going downward, so 1. Then summation of moment at A is equals to 0. So Ra into 0, 1 kilonewton is going clockwise, so 1 into 4 minus Rb is going anti-clockwise, so Rb into 6 is equals to 0. So you will get value of Rb as 0.67 and Ra as 0.33 kilonewton and kilonewton. So I will write down here Ra as 0.33 and Rb as 0.67. Now we will name this diagram as small m1 diagram. Okay, again we will draw a diagram. Third diagram will be for this is C, this is A, B, here is RA, this is RB, this is 4 meter, this is 2 meter, this is 2I, and this is I. Now again we are interested to calculate rotation at point C. To calculate rotation at point C, we will apply a clockwise movement of 1 kilonewton meter. And now we will calculate reactions for this. Okay, so we will do summation of Fy here is equals to 0. Ra is going upward plus Rb is going upward, and there is no load, vertical load coming downward, so it is 0. Then summation of moment at A is equals to 0. So Ra into 0. Is there any vertical load? No, we cannot include vertical load. We will include now 1 kilonewton. So clockwise, so plus 1 kilonewton, no need to multiply it with distance, minus Rb into 6 is equals to 0. So we will get Rb is equals to 0.167 and Ra is equals to minus 0.167 kilonewton. So I will write down here Ra is minus 0.167 kilonewton and Rb is plus 0.167 kilonewton. We will name this diagram as M2 diagram. Now next step is to plot the sections. So now we will plot the sections. So first we will plot the section in region AC. So this is region AC. We will plot one section, say XX. And now see, it is very important. We will take the section is starting from A, means origin is A. Okay. So for region AC, origin is A. X is 0 here, x is equals to x here, and x is equals to 4 here. And in region BC, again we will take another section and we will consider that it is starting from B. So x is 0 here, x is equals to x here, and x is equals to 2 here. Okay, so origin is B. So we have decided for AC region origin is A, and for CB region origin is B. Same we will do in other two diagrams. Okay, now we will draw a table. Now how many regions are there? There are two regions. One region is AC and another region is BC. So for AC region origin is A, we have already decided, and for BC region origin is B. So limit is for at A x is equals to 0, at C x is equals to 4. So 0 to 4. At B x is equals to 0, at C x is equals to 0 to 4. Now we will calculate value of M. So Mx. So we will take this section. Now where to look, or on right side or left side? So always remember, we will look from where the x is starting. So in this case x is starting from A. So we will look at on the left side of the section. So we will look at the left side of the section. So on left side of the section there is only one load, it is Ra. Now remember that when we are on the left side of the section, means loads are on the left side of the section, clockwise is positive. So the 60 is going clockwise, so plus 60. And what is distance from this section is x. Similarly for BC region, this is the section. Now x is starting from B, so we will look towards right of the section. On right side of the section there is only one load, 120 kilonewton, which is going anti-clockwise. Now remember, anti-clockwise, if the loads are on right side of the section and if they are anti-clockwise, then they are plus. So plus 120 into distance is x. Now we will calculate for M1 diagram. So this is M1 diagram. for region AC, this is the section. We will look on the left side of the section. So we will see on the left side of the section. So there is only one load of 0.33 which is going clockwise. So 0.33 and distance is x. Now for BC region, this is the section and we will look on right side of the section. There is only one load of 0.67. So and going anti-clockwise. So therefore it on right side anti-clockwise is positive. 0.67 into x. Now we will calculate for M2 diagram. So this is M2 diagram. Now for region AC. Now this is the section. There is only one load on this side of the section which is going clockwise, so positive, but its original value is negative, so 0.167 and distance is x. Similarly here, now we are looking on right side of the section. On right side anti-clockwise is positive, this RB is going anti-clockwise, so 0.167 into x. For AC region EI is 2 and here it is 1. So now table is over. Now we will try to formulate the equations. Okay, so first we will calculate vertical deflection at point C. So equation will be 0 to L capital M into small m upon EI dx. So for AC region, so 0 to 4, limits are 0 to 4, capital M is 60x and small m is 0.33x divided by value of EI is 2. I will take out EI outside, so here it will be only 2. Okay, plus 1 upon EI, we will take it as common. Limit is 0 to 2 for BC region. What is value of M? It is 120x. And what is value of M1? It is 0.67x divided by EI. So EI here it is 1. Here I forgot to write down dx. Okay. So we will calculate answer for this letter. Now we will calculate theta C, rotation at point C. So here it is 0 to L capital M into small, sorry, here it will be M1, here it will be M2 upon EI dx. So first we will calculate for region AC. So for AC 0 to 4, 1 upon EI, we will take it as common. So capital M is 60x and small m2 is minus 0.167x upon value of EI is 2, plus take it out EI as common, 0 to 2, limits for BC region, capital M is 120x and small m2 is 0.167x divided by, sorry, EI is already taken out, divided by 1 dx. So now I will calculate answer for this. So answers are 425.6 upon EI and minus 53.44 upon EI. Thank you.